Introducing the Frameix Pro, a dynamic way to revive your idle tablet or smartphone. This innovative solution breathes new life into your unused devices by turning them into a powerful, multifunctional display. With the Frameix Pro, your device transforms into a smart hub that shows real-time weather updates, time with a flip clock feature, stock market information, and more. As a seamless interface, Frameix Pro provides the ability to monitor your calendar, keeping you organized throughout the day, and offering a task board for easy tracking of activities. The Oyo Gym offers a breakthrough in portable fitness, providing an all-in-one solution to build muscle and burn fat effectively. Weighing only 2 pounds, it features up to 25 pounds of resistance per hand, making it ideal for strength training and cardio routines, whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go. This innovative design targets your chest, back, arms, core, abs, and legs, with an emphasis on functional movement and muscle balance. The VaultTech Smart Station redefines security with cutting-edge innovation and a sleek, modern design. Featuring a top-mounted wireless charging pad, it allows you to effortlessly power your devices while keeping your valuables safe. Equipped with USB and USB-C charging ports, the Smart Station ensures your accessories stay charged and within reach. The customizable LED display adds a personal touch, allowing you to adjust the interface for a tailored experience. Reimagine your space with the power to transform any flat surface into an interactive experience. The puppy Hoachi Infinite M1 is more than a projector. It's a portable smart hub, merging voice-responsive control, rich media playback, and touch interactivity in one sleek form. With 10-point AnyTouch technology, you can draw, swipe, write, or play directly on walls and tables, all with fluid, near-instant responsiveness matching high-end capacitive screens. Precision meets portability in the Karker B 420-watt fiber laser engraver, a machine built for those who demand accuracy on every project. Designed for professionals working with jewelry, gold, silver, stainless steel, or coated metals, this 2-in-1 laser system seamlessly shifts between desktop and handheld modes. Whether you're customizing rings or branding tumblers, the B4 delivers consistent results without sacrificing speed or detail. There's a bold satisfaction in precision. From its solid metal frame to its finely engineered keystrokes, this keyboard blends the nostalgia of vintage typewriters with modern performance. Crafted with all-metal construction, including a cast metal return bar, fully programmable and defaulting to the Enter key, it delivers tactile feedback that feels intentional and grounded. The scroll knobs serve dual duty, controlling both page navigation and volume, offering a unique interface that's as practical as it is stylish. Carved from stainless steel and designed for urban commutes or backcountry escapes, the Lark Bottle Filtered brings advanced hydration tech into the palm of your hand. Engineered with nano-zero filtration, this bottle targets harmful substances with surgical precision, eliminating chlorine, lead, mercury, cadmium, particulates, and other heavy metals with every sip. The straw-integrated filter provides low-resistant sipping, making it effortless to hydrate on the move without sacrificing water quality. The Handboost C1, true wireless ultrasonic cutter for DIY makers, combines precision and versatility in one compact, powerful tool. Featuring ultrasonic technology, it operates at 40,000 vibrations per minute, allowing for clean cuts through various materials. This high-frequency cutter provides true wireless convenience, enabling you to work without the restrictions of cords, making it ideal for mobile or on-the-go tasks. Tactile precision meets modern minimalism. This innovative metal card packs an entire polyhedral dice set into a design thinner than a smartphone. Engineered from solid aluminum alloy, it's built to endure years of tabletop sessions without losing its clean machined edge. Whether you're rolling a D4, D6, D8, D10, D12, or even a D20, each dial spins with crisp resistance. delivering randomized results without the clutter of traditional dice. The Mambopod is a versatile, multifunctional tripod designed to meet the needs of urban photographers. Featuring 4 distinct modes, this tripod offers unparalleled flexibility for capturing the best shots in any environment. Its unique foldable clamp mode allows for easy attachment to a variety of surfaces, making it perfect for urban exploration or shooting from unconventional angles. No more jagged edges or worn-out tools. Step into next-level precision with the Cautax Premium Ultrasonic Cutter. Designed for serious modelers, DIYers, and professionals working with plastics, this second-generation powerhouse delivers a razor-sharp edge using 40,000 vibrations per second. Whether slicing through thick ABS sheets or trimming delicate polycarbonate, the ultrasonic pulse breaks material bonds cleanly and swiftly. No melting, no stress lines. The Chargeek Retro 67 watts blends classic design with modern technology, offering a stylish yet powerful charging solution. With a maximum output of 67 watts, it ensures quick charging for a variety of devices, including smartphones, laptops, and tablets. The real-time power display provides users with an immediate and accurate visual of the current power usage, making it easier to manage charging tasks efficiently. The Darwin MX Pro Smart Digital Microscope offers advanced technology for those seeking precise and detailed viewing. With an impressive 2,200 times magnification, this microscope allows users to explore intricate microscopic details in stunning 2K resolution. Whether you're a researcher, hobbyist, or educator, the 9-inch IPS screen delivers a crisp, clear image, making even the smallest structures visible with incredible clarity. Some workspaces look organized, others are organized. The Altai wireless charging desk mat falls firmly into the second category, an intentional blend of refined aesthetics and everyday function that clears clutter and powers your essentials. Designed with versatility in mind, this dual-sided desk mat features premium vegan leather on one side for a modern wipe-clean surface and soft felt on the other for a warmer, tactile experience. Its standout feature is a detachable wireless charging panel that magnetically snaps to either side, left or right, charging both your smartphone at up to 15 watts and earbuds at 5 watts simultaneously. Compatible with MagSafe devices, the charger integrates seamlessly into your workflow. In fields where precision matters, whether inspecting jewelry, capturing insect anatomy, or framing petals mid-bloom, every detail counts. The Apexel Zoom Macro Lens transforms your smartphone into a high-performance macro camera, bridging casual photography with professional-grade results. Featuring the industry's first zoomable macro lens, this tool allows seamless magnification from 10 to 20 times with a simple twist of the focus ring. Efficiency doesn't need to be complicated. TimeFlip 2 redefines time management with a physical, intuitive approach that blends tactile simplicity and smart digital features. This polygonal time tracker is more than a gadget. It's a focus-enhancing tool designed to curb distractions and bring clarity to your day. With each flip, you engage in purposeful work, making every minute intentional. Pair TimeFlip 2 with its mobile or web app to log billable and non-billable hours automatically. Cool-headed focus meets minimalist form in this versatile desktop companion. The Basiest refreshing monitor, clip-on and stand-up desk fan delivers efficiency without distractions, merging silent performance with adaptable structure. It redefines airflow delivery with its large air outlet, pushing out a stronger breeze that cools fast and efficiently, even during high-output work sessions. Its clever hanging design lets it mount directly onto your computer monitor, freeing up precious workspace and keeping your area tidy. The Waylux Z5 is a versatile and compact handheld laser engraving and cutting machine designed for precise DIY creations. Equipped with a powerful dual light source 5-watt laser, this machine can easily engrave and cut through various materials with exceptional accuracy. Whether you're working with wood, acrylic, leather, or metal, the Z5 offers flexibility for personal projects, making it an excellent choice for hobbyists and professionals alike. The Lenovo Thinkbook transparent display laptop represents an innovative step in the world of computing, blending physical reality with digital interaction. Though still a concept, this device introduces a 17.3-inch transparent micro-LED display, which allows users to interact with both the virtual and physical world simultaneously. The transparent screen provides a unique ability to display content while offering a clear view of what's behind it, creating potential for augmented reality experiences and more. Introducing Loop, the game-changing solution for 3D printing enthusiasts who want to minimize waste and save on costly filament. With Loop, you can easily transform 3D printing waste into high-quality custom filament in just 3 simple steps. Designed for effortless recycling, Loop offers an easy and cost-effective way to repurpose old parts into new, consistent filament. The Duo Monitor Foldable Smart KVM offers an impressive display range, enhancing your productivity with its 16 to 22.8-inch foldable screen. Equipped with dual 4K/2.5K resolution at 144 Hz, this monitor delivers exceptional clarity and smooth visuals for work or play. The Smart KVM functionality allows seamless control of multiple devices, streamlining your workflow without any lag. Whether you prefer book mode for focused tasks or one-screen mode for an expansive view, this versatile monitor adapts to your needs. The Tilt 5 system redefines interactive entertainment by merging augmented reality with tabletop gaming, offering a captivating experience like never before. Designed for both casual players and seasoned gamers, the system enables users to immerse themselves in 3D holograms projected onto a specially designed surface, creating a seamless blend of the physical and digital worlds. The Tilt 5 includes a set of AR glasses, a custom game board, and a collection of compatible games, making it a complete package for anyone looking to elevate their gaming sessions. The Halo Falls 3-in-1 Waterfall, Bluetooth speakers, and shade lamp is an innovative piece designed to enhance your space with its multifunctional features. This captivating device combines the soothing sounds of flowing water, high-quality Bluetooth speakers, and a soft shade lamp, all in one compact design. The mini waterfall brings a tranquil ambiance to any room, creating a relaxing atmosphere with the sound of gently cascading water. Compact and stylish, this 3-in-1 device serves as both a functional and aesthetic addition to any room. Transform your fitness routine with the Muscle Rail Board, a compact and efficient solution for home workouts. This all-in-one gym setup is designed to provide a comprehensive training experience in a space-saving package. The Muscle Rail Board combines the functionality of multiple fitness tools into one sleek device, allowing you to perform a variety of exercises without the need for bulky equipment. Its sturdy frame and adjustable design accommodate a wide range of exercises, from strength training to flexibility routines. Feel the difference in oral care with advanced microcurrent technology. The Traumat's Microcurrent toothbrush redefines how you clean your teeth, without vibration, without noise, and without damage. Instead of relying on bristles and sonic force, this sleek, lightweight device delivers silent, soothing microcurrents that deeply cleanse the gums and enamel. It's ideal for those with sensitive teeth or gum concerns, providing a calming yet thorough clean you can't get from standard brushes. When stiffness locks up your knees after a long day or your joints ache from old injuries, relief shouldn't take hours. This innovative 3-in-1 therapy device targets knee discomfort fast, combining deep tissue air compression, penetrating infrared light, and customizable heat therapy. In less than 15 minutes, the unit works through layers of tension, encouraging blood flow and reducing inflammation where it hurts most. The design wraps comfortably around your knee using soft massage airbags that mimic gentle kneading to stimulate surrounding muscles and ligaments. Imagine writing in midair, tapping invisible buttons and swiping through digital content with just your fingertips. Senwatch transforms gesture control into a full sensory experience. With handwriting, multi-finger typing, and intuitive air gestures, presentations in classrooms and meetings shift from static to fluid, letting you guide the room with effortless precision. Its handwriting function lets you sketch, annotate, and write without touching a screen, while multi-finger typing replicates a keyboard that floats just under your hand. Senwatch pairs seamlessly with AR glasses, solving the long-standing challenge of interaction. It becomes the gateway for AR devices, offering natural swiping and tapping to unleash their full potential. Equipped with a high-performance 6nm MT6789 chip, Senwatch doubles as a computing hub, supporting Android apps and offloading power needs from AR glasses. When relaxation demands more than just warm water, the Cabo steps in as a commanding presence in your backyard. Built for indulgence and engineered for year-round use, this spa blends smart tech, robust construction, and thoughtful design into one immersive retreat. Measuring generously with a square footprint, it accommodates up to 6 adults with ease, offering both comfort and space to stretch out. The dual massage system combines 140 soothing air jets with 4 targeted hydrojets, delivering a layered spa experience at 2 adjustable intensity levels, ideal whether you're unwinding after a workout or simply escaping the daily grind. Integrated Wi-Fi control lets you operate your spa remotely via a mobile app, adjusting temperature and jet settings without ever stepping outside. The rapid heating system warms the water up to 104 degrees Fahrenheit swiftly, while Freeze Shield technology keeps components protected in colder months. Crafted for those who move with purpose, the Oclip Ultra delivers performance in a compact 2.09-inch form. This isn't just a pocket light, it's a triple-function powerhouse. With a 530 lumen output, it transforms from a broad floodlight to a precision spotlight, and even a UV beam for detailed inspection. Whether clipped to your backpack, brim, collar, or pocket, the dual-direction clip and ultra-slim profile keep it secure and accessible. The built-in Type-C port provides efficient, fast recharging, ideal for users who need reliable light on demand. The 3-point magnetic system allows the Oclip Ultra to attach firmly to metal surfaces, offering hands-free illumination in workspaces, tight corners, or under the hood. Despite its ultralight build, it maintains an IPX5 water resistance rating and an impact resistance of 4.9 feet, proving it's built to endure real-world conditions.